Special thanks to our friends over at Brighttown who were nice enough to send us these garden LED lights. Lighting, what's important. You can see the sticker here, solar garden lights. And that's, other than their information, all the box shows you. So let's take these out of the box and take a look at them. You get a nice little instruction guide, which tells you, of course, how to put them together and how to actually use them. And inside of here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And so essentially, inside of each one of these is everything you'll need. Slide out of the packaging. The rest of it's one piece. Just point your solar panel to the sky, take off your sticker, flip it over to on, and then you can stick this into here and then go plant this into your garden so that these Firefly lights show. And then of course, you know, you can move these around and kind of angle them however you want. Let's go put these in the yard and see what they look like tonight. So I've installed mine under my little tree garden here. Hopefully these will get enough sun today, considering it's cloudy, and we will see what these look like tonight. And so there you are. That's what they look like at nighttime. Put the two on the left and the right on flash, and then the ones in the middle are just on the standard on. That way you can see it. But these would look great inside of a garden with a bunch of flowers and stuff like that. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. Deuces.